Hello, my name is Sean. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to place a specific component within your screen and basically make this component stay there in the same place as basically an anchor object, an object that basically never moves. Anyway, to do this, for this example, I'm going to use the score text. So I'm going to go right-click here on the hierarchy panel, select UI, select text. Now the canvas is created for me. With the canvas selected, I'm going to go to the inspectors panel and I'm going to go to the third component. So 1, 2, 3, the third component from the top. 1, 2, 3. So the third component is called canvas scale. Drop down the list and select scale with screen size. Now, in this case, I'm using 1600 by 900. That's the size of my window. So if you drop down the list here, you will be able to actually see the different sizes. So it is important for you to basically scale here, put the values here based on your screen size. If you develop in a mobile app in the future and the size of the window is different, you can also create some manual sizes here as well. So in this case, I'm just gonna stick to the 16 by 900, which is the most of the monitors, because I'm developing this video game for a desktop, or for a desktop computer or a laptop. And what I'm going to do now is going to change that 800 to 1600, 1600, and the 600 to 800. Okay, that's the first stage. So now I know that my canvas scaler is same as my basically window frame here. All right. The next thing we need to do is select the text. I'm just going to change that value to score. So I'm just going to type score colon space, and I'm just going to change the font size. Let's make the font size to 60, and let's change the font color to something else. I'm just going to make it red. Okay. Now, still cannot see it. Excuse me, because I need to go here on the inspectors panel again with the text selected. We're going to go to the inspectors panel and we're going to click on this option here. Then I want you to hold the Shift and the Alt key on your keyboard, and here you have the locations where you can actually place this component. So in my case, I'm just going to place it to the top left corner. Once you've done that, by clicking here once, then you can release your Shift and the Alt key on your keyboard. You can still not see it because the width, the font size is 60. Now the width for the text field, for the text box, needs to be big enough to show the information. So I'm just going to change that to 600 by 200. And again, if you can still not see it, so we're supposed to see this text on the top. As you can see here, you can see a little bit here. This is because the scale of your screen is not down to 1. Let's press play. And you will be able to see your score there. Now, what you can also do by selecting the text and by selecting the move tool, if I zoom out, enough, I will be able to actually see the score there. So the score is on the other side. So what I need to do, let's turn around. Oops. Okay. So as you can see, this is your window frame. This is what people will be able to see. Okay. Now, if I select the text now, and make sure you select the move tool, you can adjust this slightly. You can move it there, you can move it there. Wherever you basically move it now is going to be staying there now. Okay, so if I press play, your score now will be there. So it doesn't really matter if I move left, right, up, down, my score will always show there. Okay, this is how you basically put any object. You can put buttons there, you can put a number of different objects that you can basically anchor to the same position. Hope you've learned something new today. I hope you will apply these skills onto your game. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.